Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on because I wanted to show how I am using ChatGPT in order to make my business stronger, to help as a brainstorming partner. And it's amazing what ChatGPT can do. I just wanted to hop on and show or demonstrate ways that you can use ChatGPT for your business. So one thing I will say is that two caveats. One, I do have the paid membership, which I think is like $20 a month because I use ChatGPT a lot. So that's one thing. However, you can do what I'm going to describe with the free version. That's the first thing. And the second thing, as I do this demonstration, you should know that because I use ChatGPT a lot, it knows me and it knows a lot about me. For instance, let's see if I can turn the camera. I just wanted to show you a few of the things I've been kind of researching on ChatGPT. This is how the program gets to know me so well. So here is what I plan to do today. I plan to get ChatGPT to give me a plan for $10,000 summer. $10,000 summer. My goal is to make $10,000 in the next 48 days. Now, I have lots of ideas. I've got lots of things I can do. What I've learned is that ChatGPT can help me get focused, and also it helps me kind of keep things in a great sequential order. Now, here's the prompt that I'm going to use. I'm going to speak it to ChatGPT just because I have a lot to say and I'm on camera with you all, so I don't want to type and speak. It is a lot. So I'm going to ChatGPT, or as I like to call him, Chadwick, just to give him my parameters and let's see what he comes up with. So I'm going to hit the dictate button on ChatGPT. ChatGPT, help me come up with a plan to make $10,000 this summer. I would like to use my expertise as a notary coach, as well as my work as an online notary and a mobile notary to achieve this goal. I would like you to develop a daily plan of what I need to do in order to make at least $250 per day. So that's it. It shows, it kind of like went on like a wavelength, right? Let me show you what it looks like. See, everything that I said, everything that I dictated is there. Now let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. I hope it's amazing because it would be a big bust if it isn't, okay? So I'll give him a minute to think. It's a lot. Here's a detailed daily plan so I can make $250 per day. All right, good God Almighty. Here we go. It's giving me a daily income goal breakdown. So it's saying that I should try to make $100 a day doing notary coaching. By the way, guys, if you want to help me reach that goal, you can join the Notary Growth Academy. It is a wonderful community, but I digress. It talks about me making $75 a day doing mobile notary services and online notary services, $75 per day. Now, that's interesting because as of now, all of my income comes from online notary services in this context. And I will say this, it took a day like today when proof is down for me to recognize and realize, my goodness, I've got to make sure I have something else going in all aspects of my business. Now, look at this. This is amazing. It came up with a morning routine. Good God Almighty. 8 to 10. Marketing and content creation. It wants me to post daily educational TikTok videos or YouTube shorts. Check. By mid-morning, that's when it says I should be doing my online notary work. Early afternoon, response to inquiries, confirm appointments. Afternoon, 1 to 4, mobile notary appointments. And late afternoon, notary coaching and digital products. And in the evening, content planning and preparation. Weekend workshops. That's a good idea, Chadwick. Creating and updating digital products. And my goodness gracious, look at this. It's giving me a daily action summary list. It's giving me monthly potential income snapshot. So if I do what it has tasked me to do, it says $3,000 a month for coaching. A mobile notary, $75 a day. Online notary, it says the monthly total is $9,500, which is not $10,000. I said $10,000, but fine. It says with slight adjustments or additional weekend workshop or digital sales, I can comfortably reach and surpass $10,000 in the summer. So it says consistency is key, which is true, and I've struggled with that. Optimize my funnel. I think that is correct. I need to do that. Testimonials and reviews. I need to do more of that, especially the folks I've coached before. They love to sing my praises and thank you. I really appreciate that. I need y'all to do it in a more public way so that new people will know. And pricing strategy. As you can see, that was an amazing tool that in less than 10 minutes, I was able to come up with a real plan for the summer. So follow me here on TikTok and I will let you know how things have been going, how accurate ChatGPT was in terms of each income stream. And I would love you to just follow me so you can see how it's going. So until next time, guys, bye-bye.